Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the Desire Automation channel. Today we are going to see another one example in INSTRUMENTATION. Okay, so first of all, let us go to the INSTRUMENTATION. Let us wait until it is opening. Okay, here InTouch Application Manager window will get open. So here we have to create a new file. So go to the file, then click on new, then browse the location where you want to save your file, then browse the location where you want to save your file. Let me browse the location. Okay, so suppose I want to save my file at over here. Okay, so just click on OK, then click on next. Give the file name. Suppose let me give the file name as a example 4. Let us select it and copy it. Click on next. Just paste the name that we have given previously, example 4. Then click on finish. Okay, so here you can see example 4 is created. Okay, so just double click on it. Click on OK. Click on ignore. Let us wait until it is opening. Okay, so here we want a new window. So for that, go to the file, click on new window, give the file name that we have given previously, that is nothing but the example 4. Click on OK. Then make it large in size so that we can do our graphical representation over here. So first of all, what I will do the graphical representation for that example over here and then explain you what we have to do in this. Okay, so let me tell you. For example 4, I need 3 tanks, 4 wall and 2 buttons. One is start button and another is stop button. Okay, so let us start from the buttons. So for that, go to the wizard, then wizard selection window will get open. There is a button option, so click on it. We are having a lots of buttons over here. Let me select round panel push button, then click on OK, then click on screen. Okay, so let us make it large in size. Let us arrange it properly. So this is my start button. Okay, so let us copy it so that we can also make another button that is nothing but the stop button. Okay, we will also give the name, but before that we will take all the objects. Okay, now I want tanks, so I will go to the wizard. Then for that, go then wizard selection window will get open. Then go to the symbol factory, double click on symbol factory, then click on screen and search for the tanks. Then search for the tanks. Okay, so here we are having lots of options of tank. Let me select this type of tank, click on OK, then make it large in size. I want 3 tanks similar to this, so I will copy it from the same. Okay, copy it from this one itself. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will take other objects. So I want wall, then for that go to the symbol factory, double click on symbol factory, click on the screen, search for the walls. Okay, let me select this type of wall, click on OK. Okay, let us make it small in size. Now I want 5. Again go to the wizard, then go to the symbol factory, double click on symbol factory, click on screen and search for the pipes. Then select any type of pipe. Let me select this type of pipe, click on OK. Okay, so we will arrange it properly as per our requirement. Then let us start. Okay, so first of all, let me increase the size of my tank. Okay, then I want 5 over here, then I want 5, sorry, then I want wall over here, but I want wall in front of the pipe. So right click on it, there is option back oblique front, then choose the bring to front option. Okay, then arrange it properly. Okay, so let me arrange it properly. Okay, I want second tank, so I will copy the tank and paste it. It should be at same height, so that is why I have arranged it in the parallel of tank. Okay, now I want another pipe and wall over here for this tank too, so we will copy the pipe, then paste it, then we will arrange it properly. Okay, then I want wall, I will copy it, then paste it. Okay, so we will arrange it properly. Okay, now I want third tank over here, so I will copy the tank, then paste it. Okay, so now we have to connect the pipe in between this all the three tanks, so I will copy this pipe itself and paste it. Okay, I want to make it large in length, so for that first of all we have to break the cell for 5, then make it large in length, make it large in length. Okay, then we will paste the pipe once again. Okay, then break the cell, then rotate the pipe, arrange it properly. Okay, I want short pipe, so we will reduce the height of our pipe. Okay, so just make it in required size also. Okay, so now I want elbow over here, so what we will do, we will go to the wizard, then go to the symbol factory, double click on symbol factory, click on screen, and let me select elbow from over here, 90-degree curve, click on OK. Okay, let us make it small in size. Okay, let us break the cell, then arrange it. Okay, so we need to make it small. Okay, so it is proper. Now let me copy the same elbow from over here. Okay, we will rotate it. then we will arrange it at proper location. Okay, then I want to make connection to this tank. Okay, so let me go to the wizard, then go to the symbol factory, double click on symbol factory, click on screen and select this vertical pipe, click on OK, then connect this pipe over here. Okay, let us arrange it properly. Okay, so we will break the cell for this pipe. Okay, then reduce the height of the pipe. Okay, then okay, we also want two walls over here, so just copy the wall, rotate it. So there is no option, so before that we need to break cell, then rotate it. Okay, once again I will rotate it. Okay, I want this position for my wall, I will connect it over here. Okay, then once again press the wall, then break the cell, rotate it, arrange it properly. Okay, so this is my graphical representation. Let me give the names to all the objects. Okay, so I will go to text and give the name. This is my start button. Just increase the font size. Okay, then again go to the text and give the name as a stop, because this is my stop button. Let us increase the font size. Let us arrange it properly. Okay, then again go to the text and give the name as a wall 1. Let us increase the font size. Okay, then again go to the text, give the name as a wall 2. Let us increase the font size, arrange it properly. Okay, then again go to the text and give the name as a wall 3. Let us increase the font size, then arrange it properly. Okay, again go to the text and give the name as a wall 4. Increase the font size. Okay, let me give the names to the tanks. This is my tank 1. Let us increase the font size. Okay, then go to the text, give the name to the tank 2, T2. Okay, then increase the font size. Okay, again go to the text, give the name as a tank 3. Okay, let us increase the font size. Okay, so this is my graphical representation for example 4. Okay, so in this example what we are going to do, so that let me tell you. First of all, If we press the start button, then valve 1 should get on and it should fill 0 to 100 liter water in tank 1. Okay, and my tank 1 having capacity of 100 liter water. Okay, then when tank 1 equal to 100, then valve 1 should get off and valve 2 should get on. And by valve 2 I want to fill 0 to 100 liter water in tank 2. Okay, when tank 2 becomes 100 liter, then valve 2 should get off and valve 3 should get on. Okay, and because of this valve 3, this all 100 liter water from the tank 1 should get reduced and that should be filled in tank 3. Okay, and this tank 3 having capacity to fill 200 liter water. Okay, so when tank 1 becomes 0, then tank 3 becomes 50% full, means equal to 100 liter. Then when tank 3 equal to 100 liter and tank 1 equal to 0, valve 3 should get off and valve 4 should get on. And when valve 4 is on, then all the 100 liter water from the tank 2 should get drained out from by this pipe by this valve 4, and tank 3 should get filled up to 200 liter. And when tank 3 becomes equal to 100 liter, then all the process should get stopped. And meanwhile, if I press the stop button, then all the process should get reset, means valve 1, valve 2, valve 3, valve 4 and tank 1, tank 2, tank 3 should get reset. This is the thing that I have to do over here. Okay, so first of all, what we have done the graphical representation for our example. We have given the names to them, but the most important thing is to define the name, means define the tag name and tag type. Okay, so for that, double click on object, then push button wizard window will get open because I have double click on push button. Then give the tag name. This is my start button, so I will give the tag name as a start. Okay, then field color. If the wall is in, if this button is in off condition, it will show in red color. If the button is in off condition, it will show in red color, and if the button is in on condition, it will show in green color. Let me select the action as a direct. Okay, then just click on OK. But we need to define the start. Okay, so we have not defined it, so just this pop-up window will get came. Okay, so just click on OK. Then tag name dictionary will get open. The tag name is start that we have given previously, and the tag type is memory district because our start button will be on or off, and we are doing programming SCADA itself. That is why the tag type is memory district. So just save it and close it. Okay, then double click on this push button wizard window will get open. Give the tag name as a stop. Okay, then choose this action as a direct. Okay, then double click on tag name, then tag name dictionary window will get open for stop button. Here you can see tag name is stop that we have given previously. Then the tag type is memory district similar to the start button. Just save it and close it. Then click on OK. Now double click on valve 1. Then Symbol Factory by Richard software will get open because we have taken this valve 1 from the Symbol Factory and it is available in the cell. Okay, so we need to break the cell. So just for now, just click on OK, and here you are having option for break the cell. So just click on it, and now double click on valve 1. Okay, so it is not break. So just click on break cell, and now double click on valve 1. Then property window will get open. For valve 1 for valve 1 we will select the fill color property, and in that we will select district property. Then click on next link. Give the expression as a valve 1 because our object is valve 1. Okay, For on condition we will select the green color, and for off condition we will select the red color. Double click on wall 1, then tag name dictionary window will get open for wall 1. Here you can see the tag name is wall 1 and the tag type is memory district, just similar to the start and stop button. So just save it and close it, then click on OK. Then double click on wall 2. Again symbol factory by Richard software will get open. So we need to break cell. So for now just click on OK, then go to the break cell. Okay, so now double click on wall 2, property window will get open. So here we need to select fill color property. Okay, in that we will select district property, then click on next link, give the expression as a wall 2. Okay, for true or on condition the color will be green, and for false or off condition color will be red. Then double click on wall 2, tag name dictionary for wall 2 will get open. Here tag name is wall 2 that we have given previously, and tag type is memory district, just similar to the wall 1. So just save it and close it. Just click on OK. Now we will define the wall 3. Double click on wall 3. We have break the cell for wall 3 already, so that is why property window will get open. We will go to the fill color property. In that we will select district property. Just go to the next link, give the expression as a wall 3. Double click on wall 3. Then tag name dictionary window will get open. Tag name is V3 that we have given previously, and the tag type is memory district, just similar to the wall 1 and wall 2. So just save it and close it, then click on OK. Now we will define the wall 4. So double click on wall 4. We have break the cell for wall 4 previously, that is why property window will get open directly. Here we will select the fill color property, and in that we will select district, then click on next link and give the expression as a wall 4. Okay, then for on condition it will show in green color, and for off condition it will show in red color. So just double click on V4. Tag name dictionary will get open for wall 4. Here you can see the tag name is wall 4 that we have given previously, and the tag type is memory district, just similar to the wall 1, wall 2 and wall 3. Just save it and close it. Click on OK. So by this way we have defined our wall 1, wall 2, wall 3 and wall 4. Now we will define the tag name and tag type for tank 1, tank 2 and tank 3. So just double click on tank 1. What happened? Symbol factory by Richard software will get open because we have taken this tank from the symbol factory. So for that we need to break the cell. Okay, so for now just click on OK and go to the break cell. Here is the break cell. Click on it and now double click on tank 1. So property window will get open. So we are going to fill the tank, so that is why we will select the percent fill property, and in that we will select the vertical property because we want to fill our tank in vertical direction. Then click on next link and give the expression as a tank 1. Okay, here in properties we can set the limit of our tank. So I want to fill 0 to 100 liter water in tank 1. So that is why value at minimum will be 0 and value at maximum will be 100. And I want to fill the tank in upward direction, and background color we can also change it, but I want black color itself. Okay, so double click on tank T1. Then tag name dictionary will get open for tank 1, and the tag name is T1 that we have given previously, and here is the tag type. Just click on it. For tank we will select the memory real as a tag type because we are doing the program in SCADA itself. That is why the tag type is memory, and real because the value of tank is varying, that is nothing but the analog from 0 to 100. That is why the real is over there. So memory real is the tag type for tank. So just click on OK then minimum value will be 0 and maximum value will be 100. Okay, then just save it. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, so here is the minimum value. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 100. So just save it and close it. Okay, just click on OK. So now double click on wall 2. Again symbol factory by Richard software will get open. So for now click on OK and go to the break cell. So double click on wall 2. Now property window will get open. Here we will go to the percent fill property and we will select vertical property. Then go to the next link. Give the expression as a T2, that is nothing but the tank 2, and value at minimum will be 0, value at maximum will be 100. The direction is upward. Background color is black itself. Okay, then double click on T2. Then tag name dictionary will get open. Tag name is T2 and the tag type will be memory real. Okay, then just save it and close it. Click on OK. Again double click on tank 3. We have break the cell for tank 3 previously, that is why directly property window will get open. Here we will select the percent fill property and in this we will select vertical property. Then go to the next link. Give the expression as a tank 3. Then value at minimum will be 0 and value at maximum will be 200 because the capacity of tank 3 is 200 liter and water is going to fill in upward direction and background color is black itself. You can also change the background color, but I want black itself. Okay, so just double click on T3. Then tag name dictionary will get open. Tag name is T3 and tag type will be memory real. Okay, so just click on OK. Then just save it and just close it. Then just click on OK. So by this way we have defined the tag name for all the objects. Okay, now the time is for doing the programming. For that we will go to the special, then go to the script, then go to the window script, then in condition type. First of all we will go to the on show. In on show we will define all the initial values. Initially start button will be off, stop button will be off, wall 1 will be off, wall 2 will be off, wall 3 will be off, wall 4 will be off, tank 1 at 0 value, tank 2 will be at 0 value, tank 3 will be at 0 value. Okay, so this is my initial condition for my objects. Let us convert it. Okay, it is errorless, so that is why cursor went to the first line and on show becomes bold. Now in condition type choose the while showing. Here we will write all the logic for our program. So if start button is pressed, means start equal to 1, then what should happen? Wall 1 equal to 1. And if wall 1 equal to 1 and tank 1 is less than 100, then tank 1 equal to tank 1 plus 1 and if. Okay, when wall 1 is on, we have to fill the tank 1 by 1 liter up to 100 liter. Okay, if tank 1 equal to 100, then wall 1 should get off and wall 2 should get on, and if okay, if wall 2 equal to 1 means if wall 2 is on and tank 2 is less than 100, then tank 2 just tank 2 equal to tank 2 plus 1, and if means if wall 2 is on, then we have to fill the tank 2 by 1 liter up to 100 liter. Okay, then if tank 2 equal to 100, then wall 2 equal to 0 and wall 3 should get on, and if okay, let us see what will happen for this 5 lines program. Okay, before that, in every we have to give the value more than 1. Let me give the value 100 milliseconds. Let us convert it. Okay, it is errorless, that is why cursor went to the first line of program and while showing becomes bold. Let us validate it and click on OK. Then go to the runtime, then click on OK, then click on ignore, click on OK. Let us see what will happen for our 5 line program. Okay, if I press the start button, wall 1 is on and tank is filling in upward direction, but we cannot see the value of tank 1. Okay, so we will see what will happen. We cannot see also the value of tank 2. So we will go to the development, and what we need to do, we have to add value display for every tank. Okay, so let me add. Before that, we will send it to the back. Okay, choose the back oblique front option and send to back. Okay, so now we want value display. Okay, so that we will go to the wizard and we will select value display. Let me select this type of value display. Click on OK and click on over here and arrange it properly. Okay, so here we can see the value display for our tank 1. Let us copy it and just paste it for tank 2 also. Okay, let us again paste it for wall tank 3 also. Okay, so just double click on value display, give the tag name as a T1, click on OK, double click on value display, give the tag name as a T2, click on OK, double click on value display, now give the tag name as a T3 and click on OK. So go to the runtime. Okay, so if I press the start button, wall 1 is on and it is filling the tank by 1 liter up to 100 liter. Let us see what will happen. When it becomes 100 liter, wall 1 is off and wall 2 is on. It is filling tank 2 in upward direction by 1 liter up to 100 liter. And when tank 2 become 100 liter, then wall 2 is off and wall 3 is on. Now what I want to do, because of this wall 3, I want to drain out the 100 liter water from tank 1 and I have to fill it in tank 3. Okay, so let us apply the logic for this. For that, we will go to the development, then touch on screen and do the right click, then go to the Windows script, then go to the while showing, and here we will write our logic. If wall 3 equal to 1, then tank 3 equal to tank 3 plus 1, and if okay, let us see what will happen for this. Let us convert it and click on OK. Click on runtime. Okay, now valve 3 is on, but it is not draining out the water from tank 1. That we have to do also. Okay, so we will go to the development, then do the right click on screen, go to the Windows script, go to the while showing. Okay, here we will apply the logic. If valve 3 equal to 1, then tank 1 equal to tank 1 minus 1 and tank 3 equal to tank 3 plus 1. Here we should also add the logic, and tank 1 is greater than 0 until and unless what we have to do, we have to subtract the water from tank 1 and add that water in tank 3. Let us convert it, click on OK, then go to the runtime and let us see what will happen. Now valve 3 is on and it is draining out the water from the tank 1 and adding that water in tank 3. Okay, so now what we want to do, when tank 1 equal to 0, valve 3 should get off and valve 4 should get on. So let us apply the logic for this. Go to the development, then do the right click on screen, go to the Windows script, go to the while showing, and if valve 3 if tank 1 equal to 0 and tank 3 equal to 100, then what should happen? Then valve 3 should get off and valve 4 should get on. Okay, and if let us see does it will happen or not. So go to the runtime, click on start button, now valve 3 is on and it is draining out the water from tank 1 and adding the water in tank 3, and when it becomes tank 1 equal to becomes 0, then valve 3 is off and valve 4 is on. Now what we have to do, we have to drain out the water from valve 4, now what we have to do, we have to drain out the water from tank 2 by V4, that is nothing but the valve 4, and we have to add that water or fill that water in tank 3. Okay, so we will apply the logic for that. Again go to the development, do the right click on screen, go to the Windows script, then go to the while showing and apply the logic over here. If wall 4 equal to 1. And tan 2 is greater than 100, then what should happen? Then tan 2 equal to tan 2 minus 1, and tan 3 equal to tan 3 plus 1. And if tan 2 equal to 0 and tan 3 equal to 200, then wall 4 equal to 0. And if okay, so let us convert it. It is errorless, so just click on OK, go to runtime. Let us see what will happen. If start button is pressed, valve 1 is on. It is filling the water in tank 1 by 1 liter up to 100 liter, and when it becomes equal to 100, then valve 1 is off and valve 2 is on. It is filling the water by 1 liter up to 100 liter in tank 2, and when it becomes 100, then it is draining out the water from tank 1 and adding that water in tank 3 by the valve 3, and after that valve 4 is on and it is not draining out the water. That we have to do. Okay, so just go to the development. We will check our logic. Okay, just do the right click on screen, then go to Windows script, go to while showing, yes, here is the change. If tan 2 is greater than 0, when valve 4 is on and tan 2 is greater than 0, then we have to subtract the water or drain out the water from tank 2 and add that water in tank 3. Okay, so just convert it, click on OK, go to the runtime, and we will see. If I press the start button, valve 1 is on. It is filling the tank by 1 liter up to 100 liter. When it becomes 100 liter, it will switch off the valve 1 and turn on the valve 2. It will fill the tank by 1 liter up to 100 liter, and when it becomes 100 liter, then it will switch off the valve 2 and it will switch on the valve 3, and because of valve 3, it is draining out the water from tank 1 and adding the water in tank 3. When it becomes 100 liter, then valve 3 becomes off and valve 4 becomes on. It will drain out the water from tank 2 and add the water in tank 3 up to 200. When it will become 200, then valve 4 will become off. So our logic is exactly correct now. Okay, just only one logic is remain, and that is for stop button. So we will apply that. Go to the development, go do the right click on screen, go to the Windows script, go to the while showing. Okay, here we will apply the logic. If we press the stop button equal to 1, then what should happen? Then all things should get reset. So V1 equal to 0, V2 equal to 0, then V3 equal to 0, V4 equal to 0, tank 1 equal to 0, tank 2 equal to 0, tank 3 equal to 0, in this. Okay, means if meanwhile I press the stop button, then all things should get reset. That is my logic. Okay, so let us convert it. Click on OK, then go to the runtime, then you will see our final view. Okay, so before that I will just check it. If I press the start button, the process is on, but meanwhile if I press the stop button, the things should get reset. Okay, So let us see all the preview. Let us see the detailed preview for our example 4. So the logic is, if we press the start button, valve 1 should get on. It should fill 100 liter water in tank by 1 liter. Okay, and when it becomes 100 liter, then valve 1 should get off and valve 2 should get on. It should fill 100 liter water in tank 2, and when it becomes 100 liter, then valve 2 should get off and valve 3 should get on. It should drain out the water from tank 1 and add the water in tank 3 up to 100 liter. Okay, then valve 4 will on and it should get drain out the water from tank 2 and add that water in tank 3. Okay, and when it becomes 200 in tank 3, then valve 4 should get reset. This is the logic that we have to apply for the example 4. I hope you got all the things very clearly. Still, if you have any doubt, then you can add a comment. Okay, thank you for watching our video.